I'm sure you actually wonder how the highlights of program videos usually come out almost immediately after the program, or let's say even during the program. Let's take for example the highlights of a Sunday worship service, or the highlight of a wedding, or the highlight of a birthday party. Just generally highlight of everything that happened, or part of the things that have happened during the ceremony. Now this is how mobile content creators, yes, because today I would be focused more on mobile phones. Now this is how mobile content creators can be able to use CapCut to get the highlights of a program quickly, easily, and yes, without stress. Maybe the only thing that would likely stress them would be shooting the videos, which I don't see as a big deal. So this is how it is done. I'm Samuel Favor, and on this channel I help you with CapCut tutorials, tech tips and tricks. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you the way you can be able to come up with highlights for whatever program you've gone to. Now, I'm sure this will help those that are in the church media, the content creation space, those that usually do more of outside work and cover events, you get. So let's head down to it. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you want more videos like this, and yes, do well to leave questions on the comment section so that I will respond to them with a video, because your questions might likely be the questions someone else somewhere wants to also get an information for it. So do well to leave it on the comment section, and yes, let's head right down into it. Let's take Sunday worship service for example, the one that is known around the world, where people go on Sunday to church services, and mainly one of the most things they always do is just live stream their worship service, and that is all. Now this is how you can be able to come up with short clips from the worship service to post on all your social media platforms, and yes, bring like more audience from the online space to watch your church. And yes, this can be done in seconds using the CapCut application. Yeah, now let's head down to taking some shots with just my mobile phone. And yes, for this video I'm going to be using the iPhone 11, and yes, this is the pre-shoot that I'm doing on Saturday. So see you on church on Sunday. So I'm actually off to church to take some shots. So it should be it's around like 9 o'clock, and yeah, everything should be done within the next 3 to 4 hours. Hello. This is a video, it's not picture. Oh yeah. So this is actually going to my YouTube. Sorry.
So I should not turn my face out.
No, you can turn your Take it.
The same house.
So we're back, and yes, all the clips we've collected, this is how we can be able to edit them. Now what you do is we are going to use more like the combination of TikTok and CapCut. Now with TikTok you can be able to use CapCut templates, and these CapCut templates, when you export them, you will not get the CapCut watermark in your videos. Now this is mainly for content purposes, and all your videos will be in portrait mode. That is, they will be like straight. Yeah, so let's head over to our phones and let me show you how to be able to do it. Head into CapCut and search for the CapCut template for whatever event you got a capture for. Let's say for a wedding, but since we used a church service, I'll do CapCut template for Sunday worship service. You would see that lots of ideas will come out. You click on them, and then you can be able to look from all the templates that people have made, all the CapCut templates that people have made. You go through all of them one after the other. Then when you get the one that suits what you want to do, what you do is you click on it, and then you would get to edit your own videos inside the CapCut app. What you do is you click on use this template. When you click on it, you'll be redirected into CapCut, where inside CapCut they will bring out lots of layers that you would be able to use. Now when all these layers come out, you just have to go to your photo gallery and choose all the videos and all the pictures that you took during your program or your concert or the worship service that as I'm using, and then you fill it up in all the boxes and all the spaces that are there in the CapCut template. And when you do it, you can be able to preview what you have done. When you now preview it and it's up to your taste, you can export it without the sound, and it will go to your phone gallery, and then you can now add your own sound, or you can add your sound in TikTok, or you can add your sound in whatever other video editing software you're using. And when you're done, you export it and you can be able to post it, and you have gotten a crisp, clear, sweet video compilation of the program that you're in. Easy peasy. And yeah, that should be it. I hope this was helpful, and if it was helpful, do not still forget to hit the subscribe button. Yes, do well to leave your questions on the comment section. I'll see you in my next video, and peace.